तो हम लोग आज स्टार्ट करेंगे सॉइल मैकेनिक्स PYQ। सॉइल मैकेनिक्स PYQ। सॉइल मैकेनिक्स PYQ चैप्टर 1। चैप्टर 1 आज से स्टार्ट करेंगे। चैप्टर 1 का पहला क्वेश्चन है। ठीक है। तो हम लोग इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे। और इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस का है पेपर PYQ। तो हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट सारा PYQ करेंगे। सॉइल मैकेनिक्स से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और सारे सब्जेक्ट का PYQ 30 साल का इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस का कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। ठीक है। सो दिस इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट the liquid limit and the plastic limit of soil sample are 65% and 29% respectively. So liquid limit is 65%, uh, and plastic limit WP is 29%. The percentage of soil fraction with grain size uh, finer than 2 micron, this is 2 micron, 0.002 mm is 2 micron, is 24. The activity of the soil sample is, so activity soil sample का जो activity होता है, that is activity is equal to IP divided by percentage finer than 2 micron. Okay. So IP is what? Liquid limit minus plastic limit is plasticity index IP, and divided by, this is given 24. So this is 65 minus 29 divided by 24. So 65 minus 29 is 36. This is 36 divided by 24. This is 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. So answer will be C. Okay, C will be the answer. So we will do the next question. The next question is this one. Okay. So next question is this one. So erasing this part. Okay. And I'm erasing this. The next question is what it is saying, that the given figure indicates the weight of the different picnometer. The specific gravity of the soil solid is given by. So specific gravity of solid GS is equal to the weight of solid divided by weight of water displaced by soil solid. Okay. So remember, in this case, uh, if I write the specific gravity of soil solid, that is weight of soil solid divided by weight of water displaced by soil solid. Weight of water weight of water dis, displaced by soil solid. This is weight of soil solid. Weight of soil solid is nothing but W2. Weight of soil soil solid is W2 minus W1, and weight of water dis, displaced by soil solid is equal to is equal to W, writing here, is equal to W2 minus W1 minus W3 minus W4. So if you take these two ratio, then you will get answer T. Okay. So remember this weight of water displaced by soil solid. This is at 4 degrees Celsius temperature. Temperature is important in this case. Okay. So at different temperature, same volume of water may have different weight. Okay, because at 4 degrees Celsius, the density of water is highest. And if you go up from 4 degrees Celsius, that is 6, 7, 8, the density of water will goes down. Similarly, if you will go below 4 degrees Celsius, the density will reduce. As in case of uh, ice, the density of ice is uh, less than density of water. And if you go further, if you go beyond 4 degrees Celsius, then also the density decreases, okay, in case of water. So this temperature is very important. Okay, so the next question, I am erasing this part. Okay, so the next question is question number 3. I'm erasing this one. Okay, so next question is this. Okay, question number 3. So question number 3, what it is saying that a soil sample has shrinkage limit of 10% and a specific gravity of solid as 2.7. The porosity of soil at shrinkage limit is. Then soil sample has shrinkage limit 10%. So shrinkage limit WL is equal to 10%. Okay, soil shrinkage limit of 10%. And the specific gravity, that is GS, is equal to 2.7, the porosity of the soil at shrinkage limit. So at shrinkage limit, um, you can assume soil as uh, fully saturated, because if you draw, this is volume versus water content. So this is the graph. Okay, this is shrinkage limit. This is shrinkage limit. This is plastic limit. And this is liquid limit. So at this position, the saturation, degree of saturation will be 1. Okay. So beyond this, if you reduce the water content, the volume will remain the same. There is no effect on volume at this shrinkage limit. So if you take at shrinkage S is equal to 1, so if you use this formula, the well-known formula, SE is equal to Z into W. So S is equal to 1 as shrinkage limit. This is E is equal to Z is 2.7. 2.7 into W is equal to 0.1. So this is 0.27. Okay. Now you have to calculate porosity. So this is void ratio, E is equal to 0.27. You will get the void ratio, and the porosity eta is equal to void ratio divided by 1 plus void ratio is equal to 0.27 divided by 1 plus 0.27. So 0.27 divided by 1.27, and you will get this in percentage 21.25%. If you multiply this by 100, then you get in percentage, and this is 21.25%. So answer will be A. Okay. This is the solution of question number 3. Now, we by erasing this one, now we go to the next question, and the next question number is question number 4. Okay, so question number 4, this is question number 4. Okay, question number 4. So in this question, what it is saying, in a wet soil mass, air occupies 1/6 of its volume and water occupies 1/3 of its volume, the wide ratio. So if total volume is equal to V, say, assume total volume is equal to V. So volume of air is equal to what? Air occupies 1/6 of the volume, so V by 6, and water occupies 1/3. So volume of water will be V by 3. So volume of void VV is equal to volume of air plus volume of water. So volume of air is and air and water V by 6 plus V by 3 is equal to V by 2. Okay. So in this case, you have to calculate void ratio. So void ratio E is equal to volume of voids, and the volume of voids is volume of void divided by volume of solids. So in this case, you have to calculate volume of solids. So total volume is Vs volume of solid is equal to total volume minus volume of voids. So this will give you total volume is V and volume of void is V by 2. So volume of solid is V by 2. So void ratio's volume of void is V by 2, and divided by volume of solid is also V by 2. So this ratio will give you 1. So the answer will be 1. Okay. Next question is question number 5. So you know that lacustrine soil is deposited in bottom of lakes. So this will match with this one. And alluvial soil is transported by running water. So 2, okay, this is 3, this is 2, 3, 2, and alien soil is transported by wind. So that is 1, and marine soil depends C. So this is 4. So answer will be 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. B will be the answer. Okay. So the next part is next question is this one, question number 6. Okay. So question number 6, what it says, a soil sample having a specific gravity 2.60. So given GS, a specific gravity GS is equal to 2.60, and a void ratio E is equal to 0.78. Void ratio 0.7. The water content in percentage required to fully saturate the soil at the void ratio would be so fully saturated. For fully saturated, S is equal to 1. The well-known formula, you know that GW is equal to SE. Okay. Generally, people remember like that. Sehwag, SE is equal to Sehwag. Okay. WG, Sehwag. Okay, Sehwag formula. याद करने के लिए लोग ऐसे याद रखते हैं सहवाग formula. Okay. So GW is equal to SE. So G is 2.60 into W. You have to calculate W is equal to S. S is 1 into E is 0.78. So W is equal to 0.78 divided by 2.60, and 0.78 divided by 2.60, in percentage you will multiply 100 is equal to what? 30%. Okay, so this will give you result 30%. Okay, so the next question is question number 7. So question number 7 is this question number 7. This is question number 7. Okay, so question number 7, it is saying a dry soil has mass specific gravity, that is GM, is equal to 1.35. If the specific gravity solid, this is always greater than GM, and it is given 2.7. The void ratio, uh, what will be the void ratio? So remember relation GM is equal to GS divided by 1 plus E. This will be the uh, mass specific gravity. Okay, and if you simplify this, so 1 plus E is equal to GS divided by GM. So E is equal to what? GS divided by GM minus 1. So GS divided by GM. So GS divided by GM. GS is what? Minus 1. This is equal to GS divided by GM. GS is 2.7 divided by GM is 1.35 minus 1 is equal to, when you calculate this, you will get result 1. Okay, so this will be the answer B. Option B will be the answer. Okay. Uh, so our next question is question number 8. Question number 8. This is question number 8. Uh, in question number 8, it is saying that a clay sample has a void ratio of 0.5. So given E is equal to 0.5 in dry state. In dry state, uh, in dry state. Okay, and the specific gravity of soil GS is equal to 2.70. Its shrinkage limit will be what? Okay, so at shrinkage limit you will always assume S is equal to 1. Saturation S is equal to 1. Okay, you know this relation. This is the shrinkage limit. This is shrinkage volume Vs. This is shrinkage limit. This is plastic limit, and this is liquid limit. Okay, so at shrinkage limit, uh, you can always assume S is equal to 1 at this point. S is equal to 1. Okay, so if you use again the Sehwag formula, then SE is equal to Z into W. So S is equal to 1, E is given 0.5 is equal to G is 2.70, and W you have to calculate W. This is WL. WS, sorry, this is WS as shrinkage limit, degree of saturation 1. Okay, so from here Ws is equal to 0.5 divided by 2.70, and if you calculate in percentage, then you have to multiply by 100. So this will give you the answer. This will give you the answer, 0.5 by 2.70, that is 18.5%. 18.5%. So this will be the answer. Now we have question number 8. Okay, question number 8. This is question number 8. Now we have question number 9. Okay, this is question number 9. So in question number 9, uh, a soil has liquid limit of 60. Liquid limit 60%. Okay, liquid limit 60%. What is this? What is this? Oh my God. So in question number 9, a soil has liquid limit WL liquid limit is equal to 60%. Okay. And plastic limit WP is equal to 35%. And shrinkage limit WS is equal to 20%. Okay. And it has natural moisture content WN is equal to 50%. The liquidity index. So liquidity index, you know that WL, this is equal to um, liquid limit W, sorry, liquidity index. So IL, liquidity index, that is IL. That is liquidity index. IL is equal to liquid limit WL minus natural water content divided by WL minus WP. And liquidity index and consistency index, if you sum these two, then you will get 1. Okay, that is liquidity index IL plus consistency index IC, this will give you 1. So remember this. Okay, so IL is equal to this one. So WL is what? 60. And natural water content is what? Natural water content is 50%. So this is minus 50 divided by 60. WL is 60 minus WP is what? 35. WP is 35. So this will give you the result 2 by, this is 10 by 25. So this is 2 by 5, 0.4. Okay. So this will be the answer, 0.4. Okay. I think this solution is not correct. So liquidity index W minus WP. Oh, my mistake, my mistake. I'm sorry. This is wrong solution. Actually, this is not liquidity index. That is consistency index. Whatever I have calculated, this is consistency index, and he is asking about liquidity index. Okay, I am very very sorry for this. So this is consistency index. Okay, this is consistency index. Remember, this is consistency index. Consistency index is equal to liquid limit minus WN divided by WL minus WP. So from this relation, IL is equal to what? 1 minus 0.4. This is equal to 0.6. So answer will be not 0.4. The answer will be 0.6. Okay. The answer will be 0.6. This is not. Answer will be answer will be 0. Answer will be 0.6 C. Okay. So don't confuse in liquidity index and consistency index. Okay. There may be confusion in exam. So remember, consistency index is this one. Okay. And if you add consistency index and liquidity index, you will get 1. So answer will be 0.6. Okay. I am very, very sorry for mistake. Okay. I am corrected this. So next question is question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. Very good question. Question number 10. What is it saying? Consider the following statement in relation to the given sketch. Volume 0.2, volume is cc 0.2, and weight. So air, the volume of air is 0.2 cc and weight is approximately 0. So approximately it is given exactly 0. Okay. Water. Water present in the soil is volume is 0.3 and weight is also 0.3. It is taking the density of water. If we take the density of water is 1 gram per cc, then this will be, from here you can also calculate density of water, that is weight divided by volume is 1 gram per cc. Okay. Now solid, the volume of solid is 0.5 and the weight is 1 gram. So statement 1, 2, 3, and 4 is given, and we have to choose which statement is correct and which one is wrong. Okay. So in this question, we have to choose the correct statement. So soil is partially saturated at degree of saturation 60 degree. So it is partially saturated or fully saturated. It will be answered by calculating degree of saturation. So you know degree of saturation S is equal to what? S is equal to volume of void divided by volume of void. This is calculated by volume of water divided by volume of void. So this is volume of water divided by volume of voids. So what is volume of water in this case? So volume of water is 0.3 or divided by volume of voids. So volume of voids will be volume of water plus volume of void have two components, that is volume of water and volume of air. Okay, so volume of water and volume of air, if we add these two, we will get volume of void. So volume of water is 0.3 and volume of air is 0.2, so that is 0.5. So this is 0.5, and if we take this two ratio, then this is 0.6. So this is 60%. So first statement is correct. This is partially saturated. If it will come 100%, then fully saturated. The sample is fully saturated. But in this case, this is partially saturated, and you can see very easily that it is partially saturated because the volume of void is zero point 0.2 and this is zero point 0.3. So there is some space in voids which will be taken by air. So this is partially saturated. Okay. So this first uh, statement is correct one. Now we will check the second statement. So wide ratio E is equal to what? E is equal to volume of voids divided by volume of solid. And volume of void is you have calculated already 0.5 and volume of solid is 0.5. So this is 1. So wide ratio is 1. So this statement is wrong. Statement 2 is wrong. Statement 3, what it says, water content. So you know water content W um, water content W is equal to uh, volume of water divided by volume of weight of water uh, weight of water divided by weight of solid, weight of water divided by weight of solid. So what is weight of water? Weight of water is 0.3 and divided by weight of solid is 1. So this is 30%. Okay, so this statement 3 is correct. Statement 4 is saturated unit weight is equal to 1.5 gram uh, per cc. So saturated unit weight, it means S is equal to 1. So S is equal to 1 means the air, uh, the void in which air is present, it will taken by water. So zero point 0.2 cc is zero point 0.2 cc is volume of air is zero point 0.2 cc. If it will taken by water, then zero point 0.2 cc um, volume of water will take the space of air. Then the weight in the total weight, if we come total weight water and water will fill the air 0.2 cc, so weight will be 0.2 gram because uh, because the density of water is 1 gram per cc in this case. So the weight of water fully saturated, um, if we fill all the voids by water, then the weight of water will be zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.3. Okay, so uh, degree of saturation will be what? Saturated unit weight. So gamma S is equal to volume of water divided by total volume. So volume of water will be 0.2 plus 0.3 gram divided by total volume is 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.5. Then this is 0.5 divided by 0. This is 1. Okay. So this is 1, 0.2 plus 0.3, 0.5. and 0.2, 0.5, 0.5, 1. So gamma S will be, oh my god, you will density is saturated density is total weight. So total weight is plus 1. You have to add plus 1 in this again. This is 1 plus this. So 1.5 by 1. This is 1.5 gram per cc. Okay. Gamma sat. What is gamma sat? I am repeating this again. Gamma sat. Gamma sat is gamma sat is equal to total weight divided by total volume. Total weight divided by total volume. So total weight is what? Um, in a space of air, if the water will be filled, okay, so the weight of water 0.2 cc weight of water will be 0.2 gram, okay, so 0.2 gram plus this 0.3 gram, and weight of solid is 1 gram divided by total volume is 0.2 cc plus 0.3 cc plus 0.5 cc. So this is 1.5 gram divided by 1 cc. This is 1.5 gram per cc. So this is the correct statement. So the answer will be 1, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. Answer will be B. Okay. Now the next question is now the next question is question number 11. Question number 11. Very simple question, straightforward. Like a strange soil are soils deposited in lake bed. So this will be the answer D. Okay. So this is all for today. Thank you.